Hey everybody, how's it going? I finished up the lighting. As you can see, I did a terrible job. I got the wiring running across. Each of these three lights has been plugged in. At least the outlets give me a little bit of extra. If I need more lights, I can do something. Not that it's that important. So I have three strip lights on either side. Sorry for the pirouette. Yes, I know that one's different. I don't care. I have a good bit of light in here now. I have this set of power strips is live. This set over here is not. I'm going to actually finish this up today instead of just doing this as an outro. So I just got to wire that one in. I've got outlets for these. I just need to wire these in. That won't take very long. Again, nothing too crazy. Everything will work out pretty well. I mean, everything here is grounded because the whole building is a metal ground. You can see that in the corner over here. All my crap. Got a piece of rebar that goes down to the rebar that is embedded in the footings of the whole building, and that is per the inspector for this area. So, don't know if I hit my button or not. Anyway, yeah, I'm still recording. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to wire this up. I'm going to join those up, kind of join that up. I got to pull some wire, which I have some of the THHN 12-2 or triple spiral. It's anyway, ground, white, neutral, and positive. I got to pull up from here to here. I do have another GFCI outlet. Not sure which side I'm going to put it on yet. I do know I need a breaker on this side. I'm going to run at least one 220 line, probably two 220 lines down this end. I intend to have a welding station somewhere in here. And then down in the very corner, I'll probably put a box here. I will put an air compressor. I really need a nice quiet air compressor because this is a metal building and it'll be loud. So any recommendations on that would be awesome. So comment on that if you have a good suggestion for a quiet quality shop-sized air compressor that'll handle a large CFM for things like sandblasting, painting, things I'll probably never do, but it's my shop and I want to pretend like I'm going to do stuff like that. I also have some wood. This will be a small workbench that'll go over there by the door for things like maybe a drill press, stuff like that. So anyway, I'm going to get to it. Not going to show you me wiring because probably not the code and somebody will complain. Because again, these videos are about how I'm doing it or what I did, I guess, not necessarily how I did. I'm not here to show you I'm smart. I'm here just to show you I'm doing things, no matter how badly they are done. Something. Anyway, talk to you in a bit. All right, got all that wired on that side. I'm going to do a quick throw the wiring in here. I turned off the breaker panel because I don't like being electrocuted too much. I love being electrocuted. Anyway, let me get this wired up real quick. This won't take very long. So, as with everything, we'll leave a little extra. Make sure we got plenty of space to pull in case something breaks or needs to be redone. I will be hooking these up to a combo arc fault GFCI, as I've done with everything else in this building. And we'll do with all of the other buildings that I will end up tying into this. So I think the only thing I will not do that with will end up being the welder, because it is just by nature an arc fault. So, see how that works out. Neutral's good. Hot's good. That, so having power off on the breaker. I'm gonna figure out how I want to run this in there. Ground a little bit of a pain, but isn't everything. When I get this done, I'm going to put the box in, turn the power back on, and then you all and I will walk over and check the outlets with my little handy dandy tester to make sure that I do not have any crazy, you know, arc or ground missings or any along those lines. I wish I could make this prettier. I don't do that very well. Yep. That is what it is today. So, come here. Magnets. Strong. Like I said, ground fault arc breaker, off. Runs up, runs over, runs across the ceiling, runs down. Breaker box. Everything should be pretty well grounded. Alright, it's a main breaker. Your lights still work. Hey, lights still work. Those outlets are still on. Correct wiring. Yeah, correct wiring. All right, get ready for the earth-shattering kaboom. Nothing horrendous. Correct wiring. Correct wiring. If you can see that. Correct wiring. Correct wiring. As these are duplex receptacles, I should not have to check. Correct wiring, correct wiring, correct wiring, correct wiring, and we will test the GFCI status over here. We'll plug that in. We'll walk back over here and hit the test button. Pop, no lights. You should be able to see that from here. So, and that's pretty much awesome right there. So as far as interior power is concerned, like I said, there will be two 220 circuits. One, combo welding circuit and then a air compressor circuit. And then I'm probably going to run 2 circuits to exterior buildings and take those out of the house. One of the things I want to do in the house is get to a tankless electric water, hot water heater, which I know takes a lot of juice. So I need a lot of circuit breakers. So the more stuff I can move out of the house, the better. A lot of other wiring needs correcting in there. So, but for right now, I am quite happy that I have completed this portion of the wiring job. I have good lighting, I have good power. So yeah, quite happy. Anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't tell me what I did wrong, because I won't listen. ask my wife. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Thanks again for watching if you've come this far. I know I had to spread this video over quite a ways, but I'll get it all put together, maybe. Anyway, thanks everybody. Have a good one. Bye.